Another application of Hamilton's canonical equations of motion is a two-dimensional oscillator. A two-dimensional oscillator, harmonic oscillator, consists of a single mass M which is attached to two springs as shown in this figure. So, if we extend this mass by this position R, then we change the position of mass in y-axis and x-axis. So there are two degrees of freedom, but before going towards there, first we need to find the Hamiltonian of this system. The first thing we are going to find is Hamiltonian. As we know that H Hamiltonian is pi qi dot minus L. Since L is equal to T minus V, we have T is equal to half M x dot squared plus y dot squared. Similarly, V is equal to half. Let the spring constant of this spring be K1 and the spring constant of this spring be K2. Then this will be K1 x squared plus K2 y squared. So L will become half M x dot square plus y dot square minus half K1 x square plus K2 y squared. Here summation I pi qi dot is equal to px along x dot plus py y dot. Okay. So the net Hamiltonian H will become H is equal to px x dot plus py y dot minus 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square minus plus half k1 x square plus k2 y squared. Okay? So this is the Hamiltonian. We need to find x dot and y dot for our this term of the equation. So as we know, as partial L by partial qi dot is equal to px, this implies that partial pi, this implies that partial L by partial x is equal to px and partial L by partial y is equal to py. So partial px is equal to partial by partial x of half of L. L is half m x dot square plus y dot square x dot and y dot. Partial by partial L by partial x dot and partial L by partial y dot square minus half k1 x square plus k2 y square. So this term does not consist of x dot. Differential of this will become equal to 0. Similarly, y dot will become equal to 0 and px will become equal to mx dot. Similarly, py dot, py will become my dot. This implies that x dot is equal to px divided by m, and this implies that y dot is equal to py divided by m. We can use these two values in the net value of Hamiltonian. So H will become H is equal to p square x divided by m plus p square py square divided by m minus, this could be written as px square divided by 2m minus py square divided by 2m. If we multiply and divide this equation by m, this will become m square mx dot whole square and my dot whole square, which is p square and divided by 2m, plus half k1 x square plus k2 y square. So net Hamiltonian H will become px square divided by 2m plus py square divided by 2m plus half k1 x square plus half k2 plus half k2 y square. Okay, so this will become equal to half k1 x square plus k2 y square. This is equation number 1, which is the Hamiltonian of a mass attached to two springs, that is two-dimensional harmonic oscillator. Let us find the Hamilton's canonical equations for this system, for two-dimensional harmonic oscillator. As partial h by partial qi is equal to minus pi dot, this implies that partial h by partial x is equal to minus px dot and partial h upon partial y is equal to minus py dot. From equation 1, px dot will become equal to minus partial by partial x of h, which is px square upon 2m plus py square upon 2m minus plus half k1 x square plus k2 y squared. So this differential will become px dot is equal to k1 x, equation A. Similarly, py dot will become minus partial by partial x of px square upon 2m plus py square upon 2m plus 1 by 2 k1 x square plus k2 y square, partial by partial y. Okay, so this will become py dot is equal to k2 y, which is equation B. Similarly, yes, partial h by partial pi is equal to qi dot, which will imply that partial h by partial px is equal to x dot and partial h or partial py is equal to y dot. So one will imply that x dot is equal to partial by partial x of partial by partial px of px square upon 2m plus py square upon 2m plus half k1 x square plus k2 y squared. Okay, So this will give us x dot is equal to px divided by m. Similarly, y dot will become dy upon m. This is C and this is D. A, B, C and D are Hamilton's canonical equations for a 2D harmonic oscillator.